For our next stop, we are going to Hogwarts Warner Brothers Studio Tour of Harry Potter. Gryffindor! Gryffindor. There's Hagrid right there. And other things. Look at that. Giant dragon. We're about to enter the banquet hall. Gryffindor! Ravenclaw! And then here's mine. Slytherin! Happy birthday, Harry! What's that? What are these donuts? Harry Potter bread. There's also drinks. Ooh, look at this. That's yummy. Cupcakes. Everyone, take out your wand. I mean, your cell phones. Dumbledore. Now we are entering Hogwarts. Oh, look at that. That's cool. Oh, there we are. Oh. You are Gryffindor. And here's my mom's common room. Quidditch experience. Here's a video of us watching the game. Scary. Was that a basketball? Somebody needs to clean this mirror. Dumbledore's room.
Which was his penultimate film. We worked
These are all
together.
the movie props.
It's a coin-operated machine with a mechanical skeleton that lifts its top hat, revealing a crown, which then pecks at his lips.
Looking at that cauldron. That's a real wizard. No need for wands. Wow. Where's your wand? Your wand.
No need a wand.
Yeah, she got power.
I'm a wizard.
About to take a nap in the library because she's so tired of studying. Voldemort with his nose still intact. Strolling through the Forbidden Forest. After that really dark room, they put you in this really bright place with pumpkins, and this is Hagrid's house. Inside Hagrid's hut.
Do you know
He
I
lives
was
there,
survived,
and
Professor?
then he has all this. He's not a
When I
minimalist.
take up this.
This Hagrid's room, and he has cute little
Hold on.
bears in his bed. Time for lunch. What are we having? I'm having the Slytherin plate. Are you having the Ravenclaw white fish pie? Or are you going to change your class, your sorting? And then I think we're gonna get Hedwig. We got butterbeer right here. See, I never tried it. I was like, I don't want it, but we'll see. Yeah, it tastes like caramel. It tastes good. It tastes good.
Yeah.
I thought it was gonna taste like root beer or something. Butterbeer. First up is the Slytherin meal. Looks like a snake. Is that sausage?
So please feel like Harry and enjoy.
Oh, roast beef. How about this?
Ravenclaw plate, there's a question on the fish pie. Which came first, the phoenix or the flame? And the answer is on the back of this bread. So please.
Oh, the answer is in the back of the bread?
Actually, it's on
hers.
Not my bread.
Please enjoy picking
Okay.
your answer as well.
Is that edible?
Which one?
Yeah, yes,
Yes,
it's
she's
cake.
right away. But she might fly away, so please be careful.
Okay.
And then for mine?
Okay, this is the Slytherin plate. The sausage represents the basilisk in the Chamber of Secrets. His eyes are very dangerous, so please be careful.
Okay, scary. Arigato gozaimasu. The riddle is, which came first, the phoenix or the flames? It says the circle has no beginning. Would you have guessed that?
No, I would have been like, flame comes first in the dictionary.
And me, I get to eat this, a mushroom. Kinakain ba to? Kinakain siguro to. It's really long. Now try it. You killed Hedwig. More stuff outside. We got the double-decker bus over here. There's a line to go inside Harry's house. There's the motorcycle. Over there is a bridge. If you don't want to wait in line, you can just peep through the window and see what's inside. Next way, all the windows.
More free.
2.
Forget. I got.
Take 100. Go.
Once I make my move, you're free to check the king.
Just when you think it's over, there's more. Gotta see the Hogwarts train and do your cool picture trying to go through the wall. Inside the train. Oh, don't let it in. My sister got her Hogwarts letter. She's a real wizard.
And then look,
What is it?
I have my school supply.
My name is Brent Cole, and I was the head sculptor for 7 of the Harry Potter.
This is a pretty room. You think it's over, but there's more. This is a huge studio. My mom's crying because she feels sad. All these people. She said the last person's gonna get squished. Your boyfriend. Wow, this is a very long tour. It's fun. I mean, like, this place is huge. I thought it was actually gonna be small. I thought it was only gonna take 2 to 3 hours. But we've been here since 9:30 and it's now 4. And there's still so much to look at. It's Hogwarts. This is huge. And then we choose our wands. Now we've come to the end. The gift shop. Cute. We got Harry Potter merch. We learned how to ride a broom.